Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about borders in CSS3. Let's watch this activity. In before tutorial we seen about internal CSS and external CSS, inline CSS, and how to write. Everything is explained in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description, and also I explained about syntax of CSS also. The links all in description, just go and learn. And the continuation of this tutorial, that is I want to explain borders. So I want like border of this, like this is Haripriya. Is it possible in CSS or not? So we'll see. So actually this is Haripriya was there. I think it is like H1 tag. So H1, so this is Hari. I styled by using like brown color text align center. So now I want to get like a border also. Is it pause? Is it there or not? So we are having a tag which is called border style. So just make it as border hyphen style, and we need to give, we are having many borders. You can observe that dotted, dash, double, grew, hidden, inherit. So many borders are there. So first of all we got like dash, right? Just I'm giving dash and just control s and just reload this one and see that we got like a dashed border. So is it, this is possible because of CSS only. We are having a tag which is called border style. So if you want the tag which is like same like p tag also, so like I want to use like internal CSS, so internal CSS like or you can write the same thing in external CS also. Is it possible or not? We can see that. So same thing I'll copy. Now instead of that we are having many tags which is called like I think we are having dotted. Yeah, I'll give the dotted and just control S and reload. Yeah, of course. We are having the two paragraphs. So because I written the two things which is in paragraph tag, so that's why I got both in like dotted lines. And one more thing you can observe, it was in dark green color. The dotted lines also is in dark green color. So if you want like for this one like separate, and for this one like dotted, for this one for this one you need like dashed. So this para for dotted and this para for dashed you want, so you need to apply for classes. Is it possible or not? We can check that. So just give p dot. So here you can create anything which is called dot. So the name of the class which was I'm creating here. So yeah, and just like this and give, now give the border style as dotted. Yeah, so and just control s and remove here, and just control s, and the same class you need to apply here. So you need here dotted, just give the class equal to dot, because I given only the dot, and just control s and you can observe, just reload, you got this one as dot. And if you want this one as inherit or whatever it may be, we are having many things, solid or whatever it may be. So just create another class. I already explained how to create a class, but I explained in internal CSS in before tutorials. That one link also I'll keep in description, guys. Just go and observe uh, how to create a class and what is class and everything was like explained. So yeah, now I'm creating like solid class I'm creating. Yes, now I'm giving the border style here. So now in this time I want to give like solid. Yeah, just control s and give the class name here. So just give the class name solid and just control s and just reload, and you can observe that the dot, it was solid. So if you want the color also, you can give the color. Particularly it was apply he for that tag only, what you can say for the solid tag. So instead of dark green, if you want like another colors, so just make it as royal blue, and just control S and just reload, and you can observe. So this is the beauty of class, and this is about borders. And we are having many borders, but mainly the dash, dotted, and solid. And we are having groove, ridge, and we are having many borders. And I'll apply for like H4. You can see that. So just give H4 and H4 tag. So just give border style. Yeah, so you can see the dotted double groove hidden, and we are having many things like ridge, insert, outset, and none also. None means we are having no border. So hidden means it's like also same like none. Inherit we are having. So many borders, solid double we are having. So unset, these all borders you can use. And we can use like mixed borders also, like dotted, dashed, solid double also we can use. Ridge border, then you can understand very clearly. Just control S for H4. Just reload, you can see the ridge border which is very light color. So just I'm increasing the size. This is the ridge border. So I hope you understand how it was working and everything. So this is the borders. And one more thing, you can give the multiple borders also. So if you want like dotted, and just give the dotted, and you can give dashed. So you can give dashed, that means what is the difference means, first of all we'll get dotted, after the dashed, and you can give like solid. Yeah, and you can give double. So I'm using multiple, and just control S and just reload for H4, and you can see that. So you can observe that the four sides was different. So first of all, dotted was taken this upper side, and the side was taken which is called dashed. So here the dashed one which was taken, and next one which is solid, which was taken down, and double was taken which is like left side. So this is all about borders. I think in one single one I showed four different borders. So I hope this is the clear explanation about CSS borders. I'll come with another tutorial which is called margins, CSS margin, how to create a margin, what is margin. So is it possible to create a margin? Everything will explain in upcoming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button, and you're going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new tutorials for you. Until then,